Happy February 10th, Better Brainiacs, off-gridders, aspiring off-gridders, preppers, YouTubers, and Brighteon channel viewers. This is your host, Danny Zen, coming to you live from the Northern Hemisphere. Happy February 10th, 2022. In this very short video, I'm going to be going over an amazing way where you can help to guard your brain from all the junk that comes with on your produce. That includes glyphosate, which is the active ingredient in Roundup weed killer, fungicides, herbicides, pesticides, and the whole 9 yards. If you have not read Rachel Carson's Silent Spring book, definitely check it out. I'll include a link to an audiobook version of that. Or you can grab a hard copy at your library, maybe, called Silent Spring, talking about the herbicides and its effects on health in our food system. Also, this is going to be obviously benefits food. By the way, this video is going over a company specifically called Food Forest Abundance, based out of Orlando, Florida. I first learned about it by accident, stumbling upon a YouTube video titled The Top 10 Reasons to Grow Your Own Food and Medicine by its founder, Mr. Jim Gale. I'll include a link to that video as well. For those that cannot wait to have either a edible landscape and or indoor garden blueprint design or installation in your home, business, wherever you are, all property types they cover. By the way, disclosure, I am a Food Forest Abundance affiliate, and I do earn a small commission upon the sale of a blueprint and or installation in over 40 US states and over 15 countries. So you can hop onto my affiliate link. Actually, you can use the coupon code OneHouseOffTheGrid when you go to foodforestabundance.com. That's food, F-O-R-E-S-T, abundance.com. Again, enter all letters, One House Off the Grid. I'm going to show you some cool pictures here. So they provide design installations. This is a sample. They have certified permaculture designers that will take into account your local, topography, climate, rain, all the stuff, soil quality, and everything into account when designing it. And it is based both on acreage as well as complexity and a few other factors. I don't know the full details, but you can call me at my number. I'll include in the description below the video if you have any detailed questions, if the after surfing the web doesn't answer all your questions. Okay, so it's pretty cool. Obviously, the benefits, besides decentralizing the food system and never ever worry about going hungry. Other reasons are benefits for having your own edible landscape and growing it in your apartment or on your property or business or institution and whatnot. Again, it's all property types: private, public sector, private, public sector, for-profit, nonprofit, church, nursing home, whatnot. And by the way, I will also include a link to become a free affiliate. This is not network marketing or MLM, but there's one. You are allowed to sponsor one other affiliate, just one level down, unlimited with. That's a disclosure, just to let you know. You do earn, I think it's 15% commission on successful sales of blueprints, as well as 5% on installations. And you do earn over, I think it's 2% override commission on the sale of your personally sponsored Food Forest Abundance affiliates. Okay. First things first, though, if you can't wait, you can also use my affiliate Food Forest Abundance affiliate link by going to tinyurl.com/have food security. So the other benefits besides the obvious of health, not spraying your own food, which is huge. So there's evidence suggesting that herbicides could lead to Parkinson's disease. Other benefits include obviously protecting from rising food prices. If you guys have not heard you watch the news, I think food prices have gone up easily 20% over the past several months. Let me just show you another picture here. So this is an actual one. If you can look here, it's pretty cool, right? And one of their mottos or slogan is designing freedom into every landscape. And this is an actual indoor garden. Isn't that amazing? I can't wait to get one of these here in my condo. So pretty amazing. They have also include a video of a link of the founder, Mr. Jim Gale, on Dell Big Trees, the High Wire, so you can check that out as well. Okay. Again, the website's foodforestabundance.com if you can't wait to grow your own food. Other benefits, you're going to be reducing your carbon footprint by not having food shipped thousands of miles away. But the most obvious, besides the health benefits, is just total peace of mind should there be a total food system collapse. If you're not already aware of the Ice Age Farmer, you can check him out. Ice Age Farmer, he's a pretty cool guy, Mr. Christian Westbrook. Just Google that. It's got a lot of great content. So shout out to the Ice Age Farmer. Anyway, so what else here? That's their logo. Let me just see here. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it just see there's you're gonna have you always see the reason. This is, by the way, an actual blueprint. Let me get a bigger picture of it. Hold on a second. So this is an actual detailed blueprint design that you will get. It even has the name of the designer here in the lower left. You see this certified permaculture expert designers in Olympic all the way to Malaysia, or at least that might be the property address. So you'll get one of these. This is the weather, annual temperatures, low, high, the whole 9 yards. And what else? It even takes into account wind, climate, like I said, growing zone, elevation, latitude, and precipitation. So it's very detailed. They run a tight ship, high quality. Definitely check them out. Please contact me if you have questions. You can email me at either betterbrain101@gmail.com if the website doesn't answer all your questions, or you can email me at onehouseoffthegrid@gmail.com. Again, that is all letters. onehouseoffthegrid@gmail.com. Okay, look at that. You got mulberry, banana, lemon, fruit. It's pretty cool, eh? So I hope this gives you an option and gives you, peace of mind and be proactive. I hope a lot of you guys will act on it. I believe prices start at $797 US dollars, $797 for a quarter acre or smaller for just the blueprint, not installation. Okay. And this is a great fundraiser. Should you choose to become a Free Food Forest Abundance affiliate on my team, for your church, if you're a permaculture school, nonprofit, or just a climate concerned citizen. Oh, I forgot, another major benefit is you're going to be helping reverse deforestation by growing food and not lawns. Okay, so check it out. Pretty amazing stuff. And be sure to check all the links below in the description of this video. Okay, if you have to get a hold of me, you can leave me a voicemail, my landline number only if you're very, very serious. Sorry, do not know about financing options, so can't help you out. I'll find out though. Okay, take care, and I hope this helps.